involved in a strike, the very first strike. The history, the annals of the history of Loyola College was led by one guy called Sharad Kumar. So the principal saw me during the strike, and when I applied for BCom, I thought it was just automatic of get my seat there. When I went there, he said, Sharad, you're a wonderful student, find a better college. So that is how I left Loyola College. So then I didn't stop, but I went to New College. The course that was offered when everything was over was mathematics, a subject which I did not like initially. I got to liking it. So finished my mathematics degree from New College. New College is one of the best colleges. You have the greatest products from there. All have become actors. Many of them have become actors from New College. Radha, Ravi, Karthik, anyway, name a lot of people. So அவங்க காலேஜ் போனோன்னு எங்கள் அப்பா சொன்னார், நீங்களாம் நல்லா இருக்க மாட்டேன், உருப்பிட மாட்டேன்னு சொன்னார். அந்த உருப்பிட மாட்டேன்னு சொன்ன பசங்களாம் உருப்பிட்டாங்க அந்த கல்லூரியில். எல்லாம் they come to some stage. So that is what the parents will say, that is what your teachers will say. சூரிய அம்சத்தை சொல்கிற மாதிரி அவன் சரியே இல்லை படிக்கவே இல்லைன்னு சொன்னது. That is when you should push yourself. When somebody says you are no good, yeah, really, take it within yourself. Don't argue with them at that point of time, but show and prove to them that you are good. Someday you will be somebody that you want to be. It's inside you. சொல்கிறது வைக்கப்பட்டு இருப்பீங்க, என்ன பண்ணணும் தைரியமாக சொல்லணும். World is something, don't think it's a competitive world. Face it. Competition is very, very high. நான் படிக்கும் போது ஒன்றுமே இல்லை. எங்கள் சொன்னார் டிகிரி, get a degree and then you'll be fine. At least basic educational qualification should be there. அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் நான் BSc Maths படித்தேன். I really did not know why I had to study. Really, I can swear that I did not know. My father told me to study, I studied. There's no intention to study. But today it's not like that. People want to study, they want to achieve. It's a highly competitive world today. And everybody is studying. Everybody wants to do something different. Everybody wants to go to software, they want software engineers, or they want to be doctors. And professional career they want to take up. Challenges are huge and the guys are not able to take it. Youngsters are not able to take the challenges. They have a lot of distress, they are stressed. So that stress, I think you should, with your paintings, with your art, think, take your own time, take your space in life. You have your own time. Don't give entire time. அதான் சொல்கிறேன், பாரதியார் சொன்ன மாதிரி படிக்கும்போது படிக்கணும், விளையாடும் போது விளையாடும். So whatever you have to do, you have your space, and then you have your visions very clear, your aims very clear, and you have to go there. If you have to climb Mount Everest, you will definitely achieve going to Kanchenjunga, which is much lower than that. So என்னை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் I wanted to be an actor, and here I am standing in front of you as an actor. நடிக்கவே தெரியாத சரத்குமார் வந்து நடிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டேன். காரணம் வந்து என் படத்தை பார்த்தேன், படம் ரிலீஸ் ஆச்சு, ஏதோ மூஞ்சி பிடிச்சி சிரிச்சா கண்ணத்தில் குழி விழுது, உடம்பு நல்லா வச்சுக்கா உதவ வாங்குறதுக்கு, இதெல்லாம் தட் ஃபாலோ. இல்லையா, ஸ்விம் பண்ணுறது வெளியே நின்றுட்டு தண்ணி பார்க்கும், ஆழமாக இருக்குது ஆழமாக தான் இருக்கும், பயமாக தான் இருக்கும். So it is all a challenging world. And this challenging world, the youth, that is what I am more interested in today. Because we have to bring about a change in society, in the way things are in the country. The entire system has to be changed. Who will change the system? People like you with more creativity, more knowledge. Because today, the world has come into a very small thing called a computer. A laptop in front of you get information. iPhones get you information. The Samsung gives you more information. I'm not an ambassador for Samsung, but still, a lot of information are just there. And while sitting down, recently I went for a big meet of politics and public policy meet in Delhi. I saw one of the top leaders in the country. When the president was speaking there, the top personality I don't want to mention, he was on his mobile phone, SMSing, I don't know who. Maybe he was SMSing a real business deal, or maybe he's SMSing girlfriends. See, their attention span was very low. So today's youngsters, their attention span is low. My daughter Varu, she tells me, Dad, hold me for 10 seconds, you have me. Because they are on the mobile phones all the time. I'm happy that none of you are just doing something when I'm talking. Because concentration of what we say might be boring. But at least listen when I say. Listen to anybody who says something. Because listening is knowledge and knowledge is power. So that's what you get from every single thing. எது உதவாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அது உதவும், இது வேஸ்ட்டுன்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க எனக்கு உதவும். நம்ம கருவேப்பிலை தூக்கி போடுறோம், அதை புளிஞ்சு சாரா குடிச்சிங்கன்னா நல்லதுன்றாங்க. So everything has got value, and your life has got a lot of value. The country that you live in has got a lot of value. We may belong to different caste, creed, religion, or language. But to break all these barriers, become India is one. I have the Indian flag chart tattooed on my right hand, right shoulder. And then Sarevar Ketan, is that the Congress flag in Ketan? That is how people think. Congress flag and the Indian national flag look the same. So that is when I really felt that I should tell the people of patriotism. So we have to be together, whatever language you speak, whichever part of the country you come from. We have to unite and create a society in future without caste, creed, religion and language. And you have to bring out your talents. Respect your parents, respect your teachers. Very important. I still, my mother is 87, 89, இன்னைக்கு என்ன திட்டுறாங்க. எங்கடா சாப்பிடாம வெளியே போறேன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Very nice to hear a voice in the morning, you know, respect your parents, respect your teachers. என்னை முதல்ல வந்து டீச் பண்ண வந்து சித்தி டீச்சர்னு. கடைசியில் சித்தியே கல்யாணம் பண்ண நிலைமை வந்துருச்சு. சித்தியை நடிக்கிறவங்க கல்யாணம் பண்ணாங்க. So all this bring back a lot of memories and I've learned a lot. I've not been a very, I wouldn't say I'm a great saint or something like that. Loyola College, I went to college. Did I attend college? It's something different. I was in all the theatres, watching films. But when exams came, I went and studied and I passed. Just passed. Not a brilliant student, I wouldn't say I was a great brilliant student. But I learned a lot by reading. I was gaining knowledge by listening. So these are the things that you should. The youngsters have a very great role. It may not be a sermon in the morning itself. You have a lot of challenges ahead. I'm sure you're all capable of these challenges. Don't buckle down. Don't get threatened by anybody. Nobody is stronger than you. David and Goliath. He could bring him down, didn't he? If you think he was mightier than me, stronger than me, yes, you can bring down anybody in this world. If you really think when you're up to it, you can do it. So the youngsters of today, the lot of creativity that you have, profession is one side, think of your country and the state on the other side, the system, you are part of the system. The part of the system is democratic. India is one of the strongest democracies in the world. If you think there needs to be a change, let there be one Delhi raid that brings people together. There are many such incidences happening around this country where we need your voice, where you have to have your own opinions. When you come out in the open, give your opinions, the true change that the Indian government needs, or the change that we want, the change the youngsters want, change that guys like me want, the change that I expect from the youngsters. So let us all be together in this nation and bring out your talents. I'm sure this institute is a wonderful institute to be. If I'm born again, maybe I could come back to Don Bosco and study once again, and then let not any of the fathers send me out of the school. Because I'm sure, I promise you guys, the next time I will not strike or anything like that. At that time, strike and I don't think you'll be going to institution. Everybody will be sitting at home and learning. I think DTH will take over. Everything will be direct to home, and I think I have to teach children. Now I'm started learning, because my son, what he learns in school, before I teach him, I have to read all his books. I cannot understand them. Try to read them. Then he tells me, no dad, this has to be done like this. So systems are changing. Every day things are changing. So you have to gear up to it. I'm sure you're all capable of achieving in your own lives. So I'm very happy, glad that I could come and meet the youngsters over here, because I am also 25. Health-wise, I'm 58. I keep a healthy mind, healthy body, and I have habits which don't determine health. He never told me not to smoke, not to drink. I follow in my life. So Kalavam Katumaran Kalavu Pananda. Though Kalavum Katumaran Suritanga Nanapa 30 Pakan 30 Pakura. Nerupu Sudun Nasuna Sudun Terijan. These are things which we need not do. So everything, there are so many things which we have to adapt. So many things we don't have to adapt. So think, you're all well educated, knowledgeable. Every information is right in front of you. Just tap of a finger, it's there. So I'm happy that I'm here, and I'm happy that I can meet people like you who can mold our society in the future, who can come out with your creativity and create wonders.
This is the moment which is symbolically telling, let all our hurdles within us be fed away, and let us fly like a bird, because creative energy, the sky is the limit. This is CRAFT 2013, Season 4 is well inaugurated. That's how the creative wing should be. Now I request dear fathers to take our eminent chief guest to have a look at outlets which have been displayed.
2013 Creative Research in Arts and Business, brought to you by That's a CRAFT 2013 DBCAT Don Bosco College of Arts and Design.
2013.
Deepika, Don Bosco Institute of Communication and Arts.
That's it, grad. 2013.
SIGA, Salesian Institute of Graphic Art.
Grad. 2013.
Chitraddle, Salesian Provincial House.
That's it, grad. 2013.
Art and Design as Creative Business. That's Scrap 2013.
That's it, grad. 2013.